is to win the championship. Hindi po yung na individual awards. Kasi parang mas importante sa amin na makapag-uwi ng gold sa community namin and sa mga lahat na sumusuporta po sa amin.
Well, you'll be bringing up a lot of medals and a lot of trophies, Eliza. Do you have any last few messages for all of your supporters here inside the Mall of Asia Ring?